Of the Regional Development Council, Cordillera Administrative Region, the Honorable Elias C. Bunut Jr., who will be represented by the co-chair of the RDC CAR. Let's welcome Mr. Arnel Cabanillas.
Good morning to each and everyone. We'll be delivering today the message of our RDC chairperson, Governor Elias C. Pleasant day to everyone. My warmest greetings to our distinguished guest, Undersecretary Parlo Ringan, Assistant Secretary Ana Carmela Remigio, Assistant Secretary Monica Costales, our congressmen, our governors, fellow public servants, local government officials, members of the Regional Development Council, representatives of national government agencies, our partners from the private sector representatives, civil society organizations, indigenous cultural communities, the academy, our youth, and to all our fellow Cordilleras joining us in this meaningful celebration of the 39th Cordillera Day. May I take this opportunity anew to thank the province of Benguet under the leadership of Governor Melchor Diclas for hosting this year's Cordillera Month celebration. The celebration of Cordillera Month began on the 1st of July with a strong display of solidarity. During the regional kickoff celebration, our national government agencies, local government units, members of Congress, and regional leaders gathered here in the same spot to collectively reaffirm support for our continued pursuit of regional autonomy. Today, we commemorate not only a defining milestone in our region's history, but also the enduring spirit of unity that continues to shape the Cordillera. This year's theme, Smart Cordillera, enabling local enterprises through digital transformation and accelerated regional autonomy, embodies our regional priorities that continue to align with national directives of transforming our production sectors, but more importantly, gives due emphasis to our resolute quest for an autonomous Cordillera region. Indeed, regional autonomy remains the very heart of our celebration. More than 3 decades ago, Executive Order Number 220 laid the foundation for strengthening regional administration and preparing the Cordillera for meaningful autonomy. Today, that aspiration has gained momentum through House Bill Number 6981, or the Act establishing the Cordillera Autonomous Region. Picks up lessons from and improves the weaknesses of previous House bills. And we are optimistic, as we have always been, that this bill will move forward and bring us closer to a governance structure that is more responsive to the unique social, cultural, economic, and geographical realities of our region. Our vision of an autonomous Cordillera gained further resolve with the first of our sectoral kapihans last July 8, which brought to fore the challenges of our region's agriculture sector. The forum provided an opportunity to discuss the current confronting of our farmers and agricultural communities, while highlighting the opportunities that a regional autonomous government can offer. It underscored how autonomy can enable more responsive agricultural policies, greater fiscal flexibility, stronger support for indigenous farming systems, and a more intensified focus on climate-resilient agricultural practices, well suited to the region's biophysical endowments. As we continue this series of sectoral campaigns, we shall explore and learn how regional autonomy can likewise advance other vital sectors of our regions, specifically the social development sector, indigenous people's concerns, infrastructure development, watershed and environmental management sector, and development administration. We are excited for these meaningful conversations that seek to deepen public understanding of autonomy and demonstrate how it can help build a more powered, responsive, and future-ready Cordillera. This year's Cordillera Month activities reinforce our belief that autonomy is not merely about governance, but an opportunity to improve the lives of every Cordillera. This year's theme reminds us that self-governance through autonomy will accelerate transformation and innovation that is meaningful to every Cordillera. A smarter Cordillera is one that embraces technology to empower entrepreneurs, strengthen local industries, and expand opportunities for every community, while remaining firmly rooted in our indigenous knowledge, culture,